We are going to learn about integer exponents. I provided you a foldable, it's orange. First thing I want you to do is just make sure you kind of fold up all the pages so it's easier for you to write in. Okay? The next step that I want you to do is I want you to open up to the first section. I want to explain a little bit about what integer exponents are. So the first thing I want to say is an exponent states how many times the base number, which is your large number, this is your base, is being used as a factor. Exponents can be positive or negative values. Exponents can even be fractions. So the first thing I want you to know, this is your exponent, and it's telling me that I have to multiply my base 7 times by itself, okay? So we're going to write, just to make sure we understand, this is your base. All right, and the 7, this is your exponent. And the exponent tells how many times to multiply the base by itself. Okay, so let's start out by looking at some examples that we have on our foldable. Okay, the first one says 3 to the 4th power. That does not mean 3 times 4, guys. That means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, so I'm going to write it out. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay? Now what you can do is you say 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And 27 times 3 is 81. Okay? And that is our final answer. When you have something like this, it's a fraction, it's saying 1/2 squared, or 1/2 times 1/2. So 1/2 times 1/2. Remember, you're going to multiply the numerator times the numerator and denominator times denominator. So 1 times 1 is still 1, and 2 times 2 is 4. So 1/2 squared is 1/4. All right, our next one is example 3, -8 cubed, or -8 to the 3rd power, which means -8 times -8 times -8. Okay? Remember, a negative times a negative is a positive, so -8 times -8 is a positive 64. A positive times a negative is a negative, so negative, and you can even write it here, positive 64 times -8, okay, is going to give us a positive and a negative answer. So it's -512. All right, this is discussing positive exponents. That means that our exponents, the little baby number up above the base, is all positive. All right, we'll go to the next video and we'll discuss negative exponents.